So it's happy to see you all. In this video we are going to make this white patch to be get covered up. So we are going to do the patch test for him. So the process has been started. As you can see, we are matching up with the exact skin tone. So the process is getting more smoother. So now it might look a little dark in tone, but once it got healed, it will be get much more better tone. So the process is getting on, keeps going on. So if you can see this, it's getting matched with the exact skin tone, and it's so smooth by the way of doing it. There's no much of a bleeding, there's no much of a swelling. It's getting matched with the exact skin tone so perfectly, and it does not cause any of the side effects, and it's completely natural. There is no side effects from this treatment, so you don't need to worry about it. Many of them thinking it's similar to the tattoo, but it is not. It's completely different from the tattoo. The process, the inks, the cartridges which we are using, it's different from that. And we are going to do the one more batch on his back now. So you can see the process has been started. So this process, I'm matching the exact skin tone of him. And many of the times clients used to ask us, what's the procedure to be getting it done? Shall I getting it done all over my body? We recommend it's completely your wish, because we highly recommend our clients to be go ahead and get the patch test first. By the patch test, we can get to know how the skin is getting accepted, or will there be a chances of any reflections will be there. If the skin is not get accepted properly, then we need to be go ahead and proceed with the remaining places of our body also. So we highly recommend our clients to be go ahead and get the patch test first after a month of duration. Month, which it means of 4 weeks to 3 weeks of duration, is a healing period. So after that, we can get to know exactly how the skin will be get accepted. We are getting many clients talking about skin crafting and getting a lot of other treatments getting it done, but it's not getting successful. I would highly recommend this is the one and only treatment which will give at least maintenance and 80 to 90% of the success rate. If you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us. Our contact number is on the screen. Our team will be help you out to be proceed further. The treatment, that's really great engagement for me. So treatment is almost done. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't die in here.